If your garage door opener is beeping and you have no idea why, don't worry. It's not broken. It's trying to tell you something. In this video, we'll go through the 5 most common reasons your opener is beeping and exactly what to do about each one. This applies to LiftMaster, Chamberlain, Genie, Craftsman, and most other brands. The number one reason a garage door opener beeps is a low or dead backup battery. If you hear a beep every 30 seconds, this is almost certainly the cause. Most modern openers include a battery backup so the door still works during a power outage. When that battery gets weak, the opener starts beeping to alert you. Check the opener unit itself. If you see a red or yellow indicator light, that confirms the battery needs replacing. On LiftMaster and Chamberlain models, the battery is usually inside the motor unit. On Genie openers, it's an external battery pack mounted nearby on the ceiling. Either way, replacing it is straightforward and usually stops the beeping immediately. The second reason is a power outage. If your home lost power recently, your opener may still be running on its battery backup, and it beeps to let you know. On LiftMaster openers, this usually sounds like a beep every 2 seconds, and the LED light turns solid orange. Once your main power is restored, the beeping should stop on its own as the backup battery recharges. If the beeping continues after power is back, try unplugging the opener for 30 seconds and plugging it back in to reset it. The third reason is a safety sensor problem. The sensors sit at the bottom of your garage door tracks, one on each side. They send an invisible beam across the opening. If that beam is blocked, dirty, or the sensors are misaligned, the opener will beep and the door may refuse to close. Start by checking for any objects in the path. Then wipe the sensor lenses with a clean dry cloth to remove dust or cobwebs. If the indicator lights are blinking instead of showing a solid light, the sensors are out of alignment, or gently adjust them until both lights go solid. On most brands, the sending sensor shows solid amber and the receiving sensor shows solid green when aligned correctly. The fourth reason is the timer to close feature. Some openers, including certain LiftMaster and Chamberlain models, have a built-in timer that automatically closes the garage door after it's been left open for a set amount of time. Before the door closes, the opener beeps as a warning. If you only hear beeping right before the door starts to close on its own, this is your answer. You can adjust or disable the timer to close feature through your opener settings or the MIQ app. Depending on your model, check your owner's manual for the exact steps. The fifth reason applies specifically to smart openers, models with Wi-Fi built in, like LiftMaster and Chamberlain units that use the MIQ app. If the opener loses its connection to your home network, it may beep to alert you. Check if your router is working and that your Wi-Fi signal reaches the garage. Sometimes simply restarting your router fixes it. If the opener still shows a connectivity issue, you may need to reconnect it to your network through the MIQ app or the opener's built-in settings. So to recap, if your garage door opener is beeping, start with the backup battery. That's the most common cause by far. If the battery is fine, check for a recent power outage, then look at your sensors, your timer settings, and your Wi-Fi connection. In most cases, you'll find the answer in one of those 5. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and check the description for links to replacement batteries and other parts mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.